Visit McDonald Hyundai for a car buying experience that will exceed your expectations. We're the fastest growing Hyundai store in the Denver metro area, and that's no accident. Here at McDonald Hyundai, we strive to complete every transaction within 2 hours. We give full disclosure on all transactions. No games here. Our staff strives to give every customer the outstanding service and care they deserve, before, during, and after the sale. Our high-quality service department is staffed with factory-trained and certified technicians who know how to fix your car right the first time. You'll get a complimentary car wash with every service appointment, and we even offer video diagnostics, where we'll send you a video showing exactly what issues we found with your vehicle. At McDonald Hyundai, we're here to serve our community as well. That's why we support organizations like Hope on Wheels, Children's Diabetes Foundation, Denver Rescue Mission, and many more. The next time you're in the market for a new or used Hyundai in Denver, we invite you to stop in at 6500 South Broadway in Littleton, Colorado, and meet our kind professionals for yourself.